Victoria. I started this business 2019 April. It's been over 13 months now. And the reason that I started, my husband is a 2016 Juno Award winner. And still, even though he is, we can't make him around us. He has to work 12 hours a day, and it doesn't matter, Juno or stuff, but still he have to bring some food. So I have been trying so many kind of online business, and I don't like the fact that they charge me monthly and yearly. So when I find this business, he told me, why you keep trying? Still it's going to be the same thing. And I'm a person, I'm a risk taker, and I have to find out by myself. I don't want to look to somebody and see if they succeed and then follow them. I have to try it by myself because everybody's unique. And everybody's unique the way they run their business. So if it didn't work for them, for sure it's going to work for me or for somebody else. So I don't want to be the one who is sitting and just waiting for somebody to succeed. And then I worked a webinar one day and boom, I just booked my coaching call. So in 13 months, since I came to Canada, I used to be a film actor back home in Eritrea. So the reason when I came here, my plan was to go to college, finish film acting classes, and just have some decent career. But I can't afford it. I can't pay the film acting classes. So I just leave everything to my husband and take care of the kids. And every year, December 31st, I have to write my goals. Okay, in this year, I have to be this and that and that. And 2019, I sit down December 31st and I wrote a big goals. And 90% of them, I achieved them. Thanks to this business, I start my acting, first Eritrean Canadian movie in 2019. I became a part of that movie because of my online business. And my husband, he became a Juno Award nominee for the second time because he has time to practice. I'm working from home and I can take care of the kids and he can have more time to practice his song. And still we can have some money, we can have some income. He don't have to work 12 hours. So yeah, in these 13 months, the biggest thing that we did is, every time I think about it, just make me emotional. So we have been planning to buy a house, been 6 years, and we can't afford it. Everything is getting expensive. But 2020 is a dream come true to my family because we afford to buy a house and we keep looking to buy for something that fit us because I have 3 kids and I always dream big. I never dream small. My dreams are always big. And every time we go somewhere and look for houses, my husband, we can't afford whatever you want. I'm no, we will afford it. And here we are today. We afford the house that we need. And just because of coronavirus, it just pull us back. But I know one day we're going to do it. And here we are today. Just happy family together, and we don't have to do the 12 hours a day or just separate my family from each other because of income.